Excel sheets, presentations, client deck. Everything that you do on a daily basis is what takes up most of your time. While these may seem like easy routine tasks to your manager, I know they interrupt your productivity. I would suggest you to use AI to be more efficient, but you might already know this. So instead, I will suggest you the best AI tools you can use, whether you're an admin, developer, a BA, or a QA in Salesforce. Keep watching to find the right AI tool for yourself. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hub, and today I'm going to be your savior. AI skills are being endorsed heavily, but no one is really talking about the right AI tools that you must know about for your unique needs. These tools are important, they're efficient, and most importantly, they make you a more valued employee in today's time. So here I am with a long list of tools that you should know if you are a Salesforce admin, developer, business analyst, or a QA. And if you're none of these but the team lead managing people on these profiles, then you should also watch the video and introduce these tools in your team. So let's jump right in. Starting off with Salesforce admins. Among the top AI helpers for admins is Salesforce Einstein itself, including Einstein Copilot or GPT. It automatically analyzes CRM data, it does the cleansing for you, and deduplicates records in seconds, instead of days of manual effort. Einstein also builds predictive models on your Salesforce data. For example, it can forecast lead conversion or churn probabilities based on past trends. This solves the common pain of going through spreadsheets or reports by hand. It easily boosts your accuracy and speed. Another key tool is ChatGPT, which I assume most of you would already know about. Admins can integrate ChatGPT as a Slack or Salesforce chatbot and just ask questions like, how do I write an LWC formula for this requirement, or summarize the latest sprint notes, and get instant answers. This kind of assistant fills the gap of tedious writing work, solving the pain point of slow manual research. Overall, with Einstein automating workflows and ChatGPT handling queries can save you hours each week and reduce errors. Moving on to some useful AI tools for Salesforce developers. First up, I have the GitHub Copilot, which is a standout tool among developers. It's an AI pair programmer that suggests code as you type. It basically understands context in your Apex and JavaScript, so it can identify inefficient code patterns and suggest optimized versions in real time. This eliminates a lot of manual typing and context switching. Now, beyond coding, developers also face slow code reviews and security checks. In this case, AI-powered scanners like SonarQube, Checkmarks, or Sync, or how do I call it? SNYK, can help you out. These tools automatically analyze your code base to find bugs, security vulnerabilities, or inefficiencies that you as a human might miss. In fact, Salesforce's own Einstein for developers with Code Analyzer can also scan large amounts of Apex code to catch errors and security issues early. This AI review happens in seconds, unlike a lengthy peer review, so it frees developers to focus on building new features. Some other tools that I have here for developers are Harness AI and Circle CI Insights. Instead of manually launching tests and waiting, these AI-powered pipelines can trigger test suites, detect failed builds, and even suggest rollback plans. This tackles fragile deployments to make sure pipelines are running automatically without any error. Finally, for API development, I would suggest platforms like Apigee, Google's API manager, to help generate API specs and test flows. It solves the issue of handcrafting API calls and documentation. Now, let's move on to AI tools for business analysts. Salesforce business analysts can benefit from AI as much as any other role. For example, analytics tools like Tableau Pulse or Google AutoML can help PAs retrieve Salesforce data for trends. There is no need to manually build spreadsheets because these tools automatically forecast sales and customer behaviors from historical data. A BA can simply input CRM metrics and get back to predicted trends or risk factors, so no guesswork is needed. Similarly, ThoughtSpot or Power BI with AI lets you ask questions in natural language and instantly get visual reports. For example, you can ask, what's our next quarter's pipeline by region? And see charts generated in an instant. This cuts your report building time dramatically. Another common task for BAs is writing requirements and user stories. Head tools like ChatGPT or Salesforce's Einstein GPT can draft user stories or documentation from brief prompts. So you can turn your MOMs or bullet points into formal requirements. To help you on the customer side, there are some sentiment analysis tools like IBM Watson NLP or Monkey Learn that can ingest survey comments on social media data to gauge customer sentiment. So you do not need to read hundreds of comments and still get faster data insights. Now we have our last quick list of AI tools for quality analysts, QAs. The main and most time-consuming job of a QA is of course to test software. That's primarily their job. For this, you need to generate test cases, and you can do this with the help of platforms like Testim and Functionize. These AI tools automatically create comprehensive test cases instead of you writing every test by hand. You just feed the requirements or user flows and get AI generated tests covering edge cases. Now for executing these tests, AI driven frameworks help too. Catalan AI or Selenium AI can run tests autonomously for you and even heal broken tests when the UI changes. These tools use machine learning so they can adapt tests on the go. It helps in boosting reliability and lets you run thousands of tests with less supervision. There are more productivity tools for QAs like Apply tools that compares your application's UI screenshots across browsers and flags any layout or styling glitches automatically. Lastly, to predict failures even before they happen, you can use IBM Watson AI Ops to identify patterns that lead to defects. So to sum up, every monotonous task that you have in your to-do list can be completed in seconds using AI tools. If not in seconds, then in minutes. And you just have to learn how to use these AI tools. The results are faster with increased accuracy. If you have any AI tools that you use and I might have missed them on this list, please share them right over here in the comments so I can spread the knowledge to the world as well, if there is any. While these AI tools can simplify your business processes, Agentforce takes it a step further, helping you deliver a truly personalized experience to your customers. To build this for your business, connect with our AI experts at Syntax. I've added a link for a free consultation call in the description below. Don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more Salesforce related AI content. And of course, let us know which AI agent you are planning to try out first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Wait, before you go, do you want to be the first one to know when we drop new Salesforce content or get insider updates? Join our newsletter packed with updates and exclusive insights on Salesforce. Check out the link in the description.